Alright guys, so we got a monster truck race today. Both of these cars have the URGENEX 50c LiPos, which are perfect for these kind of cars, whether they're HBXs or PXToys, any of these smaller 110 and 112 rippers. So Lauren's going to get the 903 and I will get the Piranha. Where did the button go? To make sure they're bound one at a time, because I have the same ESC on both. Oh, that was easy.
This one never really gave us things.
No, this has been old trusty. It's one of our first rigs. I'm going to put it down there and get the steering right. Get mine going. With any luck, I'll be running the Piranha. Beautiful. So this will be another best of 10. Did it turn off on you? These are four-wheel drive brushed stock, pretty much everything minus this one's got the other ESC. Good?
Yep, I was getting the trim on.
Alright, which way are we going?
Do small circle or big circle?
Don't matter to me. It's up to you.
Usually these guys will be fine.
Let's do big circle. Does that work for you? Because these don't turn as sharp as the buggies.
No.
You know? Alright. Got your throttle set. Alright, ready? Mark. Get set. Go! Mine's like... Whoa, there we go. It's been a long time since I've run her. Looks like the HBX is in the lead. And these have reverse, so I shouldn't have to marshal as much. And I fixed our jumps so they're not as floppy, the dirt ones, Lauren. Now this guy, Drones and Dogs, turned me onto this PXToys $50 special, and I'm still running it. Whoa! I kind of cheated there. I'll go back around. Ha! Perfect. So was that round lap 2, and we're pretty much even now. So, okay, go. Hold on. There we go. Sometimes hard from up there. We're going to get our branches trimmed soon. So, at this point, I'm still winning. But that's because I haven't hit the wall. Like I said before, we're using our 50c URGENEX. These things will run forever. A good. Whoa! Ha! He almost caught me. We both got hung up. I got it. I'm right here. Yeah, well, it doesn't help when I'm hitting you in the air. This is, the center is a good standing spot while you're driving. Yeah, you're getting your own this time. Okay, I pulled away. Now the only thing we've done to this PXToys is we put some oil-filled shocks, some cheapies, you know, $9 specials, and they're doing alright. Now, one thing I never understood, you can see that HBX is almost identical size as this PXToys, but the HBX is a 112 and this is a 110. So you figure that out. You know what lap we're on? Well, yeah, if I pass you, I'm lapping you. But if I crash, the whole game changes. What are you doing? You ain't going? You're going? Lights are on. No gas? Huh. Pause! Not really hot. Oh, the wire came out. Look at that. A shoddy solder job. So that would mean that you got a DNF this time. The Piranha wins. So, right. So you get a DNF. Yeah, I think I was in ahead anyway. I was almost a lap ahead. It was cool. Alright, that's what we got. So hopefully you guys dig. I'll take my winner's lap here. You put that up there. HBX, better luck next time. For PXToys, good job. So I'll take my winning lap. Let's do something fun. Hopefully you guys like and subscribe, and we'll get another head-to-head out as soon as possible. Tumble Wumble. This is a great car. Let's see if we can do some flips. I have a feeling. Oh, that launch is nice. So it's been a little bit. I want to play with this anyways. It's been probably 6 months since I've taken this thing out. Maybe even longer. This thing just flies. This is a good car for this track. Same with that HBX. And they're $50. The 903 right now is $50 too. I see them on eBay all the time. So, anyways, like and subscribe, guys. Hopefully you dig. Got a bunch of speed runs coming up. The Poor Boys MF01 chassis is rolling. I'm just waiting on some bearings and some others. And our DTO2 with CW01 Creations. We just hit our new PB 33.2. So check that out, and I'll see you when I see you guys. Hey.